We all know that Claude AI can make useful tools, so I challenged Claude AI to make me a Pinterest pin making tool to make my job easier, to make my job faster when it comes to affiliate marketing. So first thing you need to do, you need to come here on Claude AI and you need to give it this simple prompt. Could you build me a tool I could use regularly to make my pins? Pin must be 1000 to 2000 pixels, and then simply press enter and Claude AI will make that tool. Just give it a few seconds to finish making this tool. Okay, Claude AI finished making my tool, and this is how this tool looks. Now, here you can see some informations: background, title and subtitle, layout, watermark, templates. Okay, you can use different templates if you want. You can just give it a prompt to use a specific template. You can also tell it to use specific colors. If you don't like these colors, you can change colors. Here you can choose a different color if you want. Here you can choose, let me just close this, gradient. You can choose image. You can choose different kind of image. Here you can choose a title. You can add whatever title you want. Font, you can choose different font if you want. Color, font color. Here you can choose. Here you can choose text. Text color and some other informations. And here you can see how your pin looks. This is a template that Claude AI used to make my pin, but this is not quite what I actually want. I wish to find a competitor's pins. I wish to make as best pin as possible, and that means I need to find my competitors' pins that are getting a lots of engagement, and I need to do something similar. I need to make a similar pin. So for that, first thing you need to do, you need to go here on a website called Sort Pin, and you need to install this add-on on your browser, on Google Chrome, on Mozilla Firefox, on Edge, on Opera, or whatever browser you're using. And like I said, this add-on is free. Just add it to your browser. Then you need to go here on Pinterest and you need to choose your niche. So let's say, for example, I'm in baking niche. So I will simply search for baking, and I need to find the pins that are getting most engagement. And that is why I installed Sort Pin, because Sort Pin is showing me exactly that. Here, for example, you can see that this pin here has more than 11,000 saves. It has 60 reactions. It has 27 repins, has 7 shares, and it was uploaded 5 months ago. Here you can see 3,000 saves. Here you can see 24 shares, 861 repins, and so on and so on. So Sort Pin will help you to find pins that are getting most engagement. So let's say, for example, I wish to choose one of these pins that are getting most engagement. So let's say, for example, this one here. I will click on it, and what I need to do, I simply need to right click here, Save Image As, and save this on my computer. So now what I need to do, I need to go back here on Claude AI and I need to give it a new prompt. And I can say something like this: can you make this tool analyze the pin I give it and create a better pins? And then simply press enter and Claude AI will create tool like that. Okay, Claude AI finished making this tool, and here you can see some instructions. So let me just check this tool to see how this looks. Okay, just give it a second. And here you can see how this tool looks now. Here you can see this is my pin. Here I can click to download this tool, to download this pin on my desktop. Here you can see dimensions, and here you can see I can upload my competitor's pins. So I will just click here and let me just find that pin. This is the pin, and here you can see this is the pin that I downloaded from Pinterest. And all I have to do is just click here on Analyze this pin. Just give it a few seconds to analyze this image here. It will analyze this text here, and it will analyze the color and the image objects and the objects on the image itself. And here you can see it gave me some recommendations. So what I will click, Apply Suggested to Editor. Okay, and that is exactly what it did. But here you can see I actually don't have the image in the background. I only have text, and I only have, as you can see here, when I scroll here you can see you can also use this image You can use this image as a background for your pin, but I do not recommend to use it. To do that, please don't do that because that is copyright strike, okay? Don't do that. So here you can see you can add tags, you can add title, you can add subtitle, you can choose a font, you can choose text alignment, and here you can see site handle. This is for the branding. You can add your own website. It won't be clickable, but like I said, it will help you with the branding. But like I said, this is not exactly what I want. I actually wish to make my own image, and to add it as a background here. So because this tool here is actually hosted on your own computer, you cannot use Claude AI to make that image. But what you can do is you can simply tell here Claude AI to use Canva to make that image. Now in this video you can see how to connect Claude AI with Canva and to use Canva directly in Claude AI to make those images. So you need to give it next prompt in order to make this image here directly in Claude. So I will give it this prompt. Here you can see, based on the pin I uploaded and you analyzed, make the best possible realistic image using Canva. Now this is important. You have to use or a monkey in order to call Canva, to tell Claude AI to use Canva to make this image. And you need to click here on this plus, and you need to click here, add files or photos, and you need to upload the photo, you need to upload the pin that you just downloaded from Pinterest, okay? And you need to click enter, and now Claude AI will make the image, realistic image, by using Canva based on this image that you actually uploaded. Okay, just give it a few seconds to make that image by using Canva. Here you can see Claude AI made this image by using Canva. It is not exactly what I wanted, but they actually made that image. So what I can do, I can simply click on one of these images and I can right click here and I can save this image, okay? Click here on save and that's it. I saved this image. Ideally, you will actually remove this part here. You will remove this part here. So Claude AI will make only the image of this object, of this bagel or whatever this is, okay? In this way, I actually made a mistake, so it made a pin, okay? But when we go back here you can see you actually don't have option to upload that image, so you will need to give it a new prompt. Now here you can see this is a back and forward. You will need to tell Claude AI exactly what you actually need. So this is a process, okay? So I will give it this simple prompt. Please add option for me to upload image that I wish to use as a background, okay? And then simply press enter. And now Claude AI will add that option here to this tool, okay? Okay, Claude added this option, so let me scroll here to see. Okay, here you can see I can add an image that I created in Claude using Canva, as you can see here, okay? Let me just find that image. As you can see here, okay? So all I have to do is just click here and I need to find that image that I created and downloaded. This is the image, okay? This is the image. Just click on it and let me scroll here, and here you can see now it used this image as a background. So you can actually tell Claude to add you another option. For example, you can tell Claude to add option for you to add just a link to your competitor's pin, and then Claude will analyze that pin by that link. It will analyze title, description, tags, comments, color palette, objects on that pin, and so on and so on, and it will do exactly the same analysis and even better analysis and give you a better suggestion to create a better pin. So now when I have my pin, all I have to do is just click here on download, and I will download this pin to my desktop. And then all I have to do is just go back here on Pinterest, click here on this plus, click here on pin, and then click here. And I need to find that pin that I created. Let me just find that pin. This is the pin. This is how it looks. And I have to add title, description. I need to add tag topics. And here you can add a link to your blog, to your website. You can add your affiliate link, but I would not suggest to add direct affiliate links here You can even use Amazon. Just click here on add products, and then here use a link and add your Amazon affiliate link to the Amazon affiliate product. Okay, and after that, all you have to do is just click here on publish, and that's it. You will publish this pin. Okay, as you can see, you can create all kind of tools using Claude AI. It will make your job easier. It will actually help you to make more money with affiliate marketing. Even if you're an absolute beginner, if you don't know any coding, Claude AI will do all that for you. You just need to know what exactly you wish to make, and Claude AI will make that tool for you totally free. That's it for today, guys. If you wish to see more ways to make money online, make sure to subscribe to my channel, and also don't forget to like this video. And also on your right side, you can see more videos that you can watch on YouTube that may help you to make money online.